Welcome to the in front of me POCO F4, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So just to do that, we should find the scanner QR codes application. I think it will be here in tools folder, so just find tools folder and here you'll see the scanner. Tap once here, click yes to agree, just to use the camera, click for example while using the app, allow, and now we should place the QR code inside of this frame. That's why let's do that. Wait a second, and now we can see the result here. This is the Wikipedia link. We can directly go to website, so just click here once. Unfortunately we have no internet connection, sorry. Let's just refresh the link here, and now we can see that this is really the Wikipedia link. So that's it. And also we have one more way how we can find the QR code scanner here up, just by open the notification panel, and here somewhere on the top bar you should find the scanner QR codes icon. After that, by the same way, place the QR code in the frame and you can go to the website. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.